Good morning, students. Are you ready for maths class? No? Have not got your attendance. All students have not sent their attendance. Okay? Those who have not sent, please give your attendance to me quickly and take out your maths notebook and book and get ready for maths class. Okay? Today, whatever I will be doing on the board, time to time you will note down in your fair notebook. Okay? So now listen. On Thursday, I did up to question number 4 of exercise 9.3. Okay. Thereafter, only one question was left. I will do it. Then I will do some extra question from your old book. And if time permits, then I will start next exercise. That is product of binomial and trinomial. Okay. Let's see question number 5. It is nothing, very simple type of calculation. You will be noting down in your fair notebook. Okay, exercise 9.3, question number 5. A. Add what? P into P minus Q, comma, Q into Q minus R, and R into R minus P. That means this monomial and binomial you have to multiply. Monomial and binomial multiply. After that you have to write down the result. This comma will be replaced by plus sign. So therefore I can simplify it like this way. P into P square, minus P into Q, minus PQ, comma, Q into Q square, Q into R, minus QR, and then R into R square, and then RP or PR, RP. Okay, so I have got what? 3 binomial you have to add. Therefore, what will do? P square minus PQ plus Q square minus QR plus R square minus RP. Okay. So what I will do? Is there any like term here? Nothing. Then what I will do? So if there is no like term, then what can I do? I have to write down all the terms serially, but preference is what? The expression or the term which having highest power, it should come first. Thereafter, the term which having less power, you have to write down. So then I can write down P square plus Q square plus R square. Okay. Then minus PQ minus QR minus RP. So I can reduce this one little bit. What is common here? Can you take any common? No common. Okay, let it be like this. PQ, QR and RP. So I cannot take any factor as a whole from all. Okay? So you have to write down up to this one. This is the answer. Okay? No need to mention underline. So I cannot reduce further. Clear? Now next is B. B, add. Instruction is add 2x into z minus x, z minus x, z minus x minus y, and 2y into a z minus y minus x. These are very simple type of calculations. I think you have already done in class 7. Those are very confident. You can start yourself. Okay? Don't wait for me. If you can complete it, you can do it in your notebook right now. Okay, and those are not able to, and you have not given enough attention in class 7, please, this is the time. Class 9, 10, nobody will teach you again. Okay, so you follow my class minutely. So what to do, this is the trinomial, and before that one monomial. I have to multiply all the terms present in the bracket by the term monomial outside the bracket. So what I will do, and add is there, this instruction will be replaced by plus sign. 2xz minus plus minus minus 2x square plus minus minus 2xy, and sign is plus 2y into z 2yz minus plus minus minus 2y into y 2y square plus minus minus 2y into x 2xy. So is there any like term? Yes. So xy here, xy here, y square, yz here, xz here. So only whatever is common. So according to the power you have to write down 2x square minus 2x square minus 2y square minus 2y square, then minus 2xz minus plus 2yz minus 2xy minus 2xy. So only here like term, and these two are unlike. Xz and yz are not like. Okay, you cannot reduce further. So what will be the answer here? 2x square minus 2y square minus 2xz plus 2yz minus minus plus, sign will be minus 4xy. So this is the final answer. So after adding, I am getting this much. Have you understood? If you have any problem while while writing it, so I will be available till 9:45. I will give leave certain time for you. Okay, so you can ask me if you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay, through WhatsApp. Clear? Now one question is left. Question number C. Sorry, two questions are there. Question number C. Question number C. What is this? Subtract this from that. Same. Subtract 3l minus l minus 4m plus 5n from 4l 10n minus 3m plus 12. Okay. Here instruction is subtract and from. I told you one from is there. So first, second expression will come first minus first expression. You have to write down this way. Therefore, what will write down? 4l in bracket 10n minus 3m plus 2l. Okay. Subtract first expression 3l l minus 4m plus l minus 4m plus 5n. Okay, simplify the bracket. 4 into 10, 40 ln minus 4 3 is 12 ln plus 4 2 is 8 l square. Okay, now here minus plus minus 3l square minus minus plus 3 4s are 12 lm minus plus minus 3 5s are 15 ln. Okay, write down the like terms serially. So power, so here it is a like term lm and l. So what is the result here? 8l square minus 3l square is a 5l square. Why I have written? Because it's a rule in algebraic expression when terms of many terms are there. So what we will write down? The term with the highest power we have to write first, and the term with gradually decreasing the power you have to write. Okay. Now then plus 40 ln. Is there any ln? Is there any ln? At the end you can see what is this? Ln. So minus 15 ln. Okay. Then minus 12 lm. What is this? Plus 12 lm. So minus plus, same term opposite sign gets cancelled, and what is the lowest part? 5l square plus minus minus. So 15 subtract 1 for 12, that is 25 ln. Answer. Any problem? Are you getting any problem? If you have any problem, then and then you will ask to me. Okay? Don't keep your inside only, or you can share with your friends. So problem should be clear. Now last one, subtract. Subtract. Instruction is subtract 3a plus b plus c. Okay, minus 2b a minus b plus c from, afterward, from what is there, from 4c bracket minus a plus b plus c. Clear? So from will come first. So therefore 4c in bracket 4c minus a plus b plus c. Okay, subtract. What will subtract? This one, 3a into a plus b plus c minus what? You can put in bracket. Okay, because double expression is there. Finally minus sign is there. Why I am putting in bracket? Because two groups of expression, so only minus it will be, but if you are not changing this sign, it will be wrong. So let it be normal work up to this much. After that, when you open the second bracket, curly bracket, vowel, so the inner sign will be changed. That's why this total part I am keeping in bracket. Afterward I will change the sign. So whatever their normal sign, write down a minus b plus c. Simplify. What is the result here? 4c, 4 minus 4ac minus 4ac, CAOAC same meaning, plus 4bc plus 4c square minus second bracket 3a square plus 3ab plus 3ac. Okay, clear? After this much over, now here minus 2ab minus minus plus 2 b square minus plus minus 2bc. Bas. It is over curly bracket close. Okay. Here we have to give bracket. Now open the bracket. When you are opening bracket, all inner sign will be changed because minus sign is there. Or you can reduce inside if it is possible. Or not possible, then you can open it. So minus 4 AC plus 4 BC plus 4 C square minus 3 A square minus 3 AB minus 3 AC plus 2 AB minus 2 B square plus 2 BC. Got the idea? Now you have to write down like term properly. You have to see the question properly. Okay, whatever you have simplified up to this much. Yeah. So what I told, the term with the highest power you have to write first. So here plus a square plus 4c square, and here minus 3a square and minus 2b square. Clear? So 3 square part is over. Now you write down other one, minus 4ac. Is there any AC anywhere? Yes, here. 3 minus 3ac. Okay. BC. Where is BC? Last one. So plus 4BC and last plus 2BC. Okay. Then AB. AC is what? AB minus 3AB and plus 2AB minus 3AB plus 2AB. Clear? Is there anything left? I have written all. Okay. Now can you reduce further this one? No, because c square, a square, b square all are unlike terms. Sometimes I have seen, since all are having square, children are adding all the numerical factor 4, 3, 2. First of all, you listen. When we add, when we subtract, when the variables and powers are same, c square, a square, b square are not like terms. That's why I cannot add the numerical factor. What in exam I have seen that you are doing it. So my advice is that you will not follow. You have to write down properly. So here 4c square minus 3a square as it is 2b square. What is the result? Minus minus plus. So 7ac. This one plus 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 6bc. And this one plus minus minus 2ab, 3ab plus 2ab plus minus minus. So 2 subtract from 3, it will be 1, that means minus ab. 1ab we don't write. So up to this much, and we cannot reduce further. Any doubt? Okay. Okay, now coming to extra question from your old book. Okay. Have you written it? So write down quickly. So you can pause the video and write down, no problem. Some extra question I am doing it now. You see, extra question, extra. A. What is this? Subtract the sum this from this. Subtract the sum of 3x square plus 5xy plus 7y square plus 3 and 18 and 2x square minus 2x square minus 2x square minus 4xy minus 3y square plus 7 from 9x square minus 8xy plus 11y square. So that means from part is there. From I have to write first. Okay, here. And then these two expression we have to add. Clear? So therefore, 9x square minus 8xy plus 11y square minus, in bracket you find out the sum. Sum means 3x square plus 5xy plus 7y square plus 3 plus, because if it is a plus sign, no need to put in bracket, but if it is a minus, then I have to put in bracket, plus 2x square minus 4xy minus 3y plus 7. Okay, up to this much. So now x square minus 8xy plus 11y square minus 3x square plus 5xy minus 5xy minus 7y square minus 3 minus 2x square plus 4xy plus 3y minus 7. Clear? Is there any like term here? X square, write down serially. X square minus 3x square, that means this minus 2x square. Now plus 11y square minus y square. Okay, minus 8xy minus 5xy plus 4xy. Okay, and 3y is along, I think, nothing is there, 3y is along, plus 3y. And what is the number present? Only one number, that is 3. What is the number? 3 and 7. Or it will be it will be minus 3. It will be minus 3 only. So 3y, then it's minus plus, sign will be minus 10. So reduce this. What is the result? What are equal add? 4x square. What is the result? 11 minus 7, that is 4, plus 4y square. What is the result? Up to this portion, all are negative, 2 are negative, 1 is positive. 8 plus minus 5, that is 13, 13 minus 4, 13 minus 4 is the minus 9xy plus 3y and finally y. Okay, this is the answer. So 4x square minus this and 3y minus this. Okay, have you understood this one? Okay, note down properly. This is the answer. Extra question. Now I am giving two more extra question. Question number B. What must be subtracted from these to get that? So these are the very common type of question you have already done in class 7. Okay, so I think you have not sold your old book, that is class 7 standard book. Whatever the algebraic expressions are there, addition, subtraction, you must go through it. This is the right time. You are totally free at home. So whenever you are getting time, take out your class 7's maths book and complete that part, that is addition and subtraction algebraic expression. Same in class 8. So you will get, sometimes I can set question from 7th standard book also. No problem. Okay. Now here question B, question is, what must be subtracted? What must be subtracted from 3a square minus 5ab minus 2b square minus 3 to get 5x square minus 7ab minus 3b square plus 3a square. First of all, you have to know the meaning of this question. What must be subtracted from here? You have to subtract something from here so that you can get the answer this one. Okay, say we can change the meaning in numerical term. Okay, suppose what must be subtracted from 6 to get 4? How will you get it? What must be subtracted from 6 to get the answer 4? Obviously you are saying 2, but question is how I am getting 2? 6 minus 4, that means first term minus second term. So here in same in algebra, what must be subtracted from this to get this? That means first term, first expression minus in bracket second expression. Whatever the result is coming, you will say this must be subtracted. Okay, or from this and that. You can write down the entire statement, you can write partially. Understood the question? What must be subtracted from 10 to get 7? What is the meaning? What must be subtracted from 10 to get 7? 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. That means if I subtract 3 from 10, we get the only thing is what? Which number we will write first and which number we will write later. That is the main part of this type of question. Okay, I am rubbing it. Okay, so therefore, first will be first. In this situation, first expression will be first minus in bracket second expression. So 3x square minus 5ab minus 2b square minus 3 minus in bracket 5x square minus 7ab minus 3b square plus 3a square. Okay, so 3a square minus 5ab minus 2b square minus 3. Up to this much is clear. Now it is in bracket. In before bracket minus sign is there. So when we remove the bracket, all sign will be changed. Okay. So that means minus 5a square plus 7ab plus 3b square minus 3a square. Write down the like term one by one. So here minus 3a square plus 3a square. At the end we have one minus 3a square and another minus 5a square. 5a square. Now b square minus 2b square here plus 3b square. Now minus 5ab and here plus 7ab. Here now last one is minus 3. Okay, nothing is there, only 3. So plus 3a square minus 3a square gets cancelled, only minus 5a square here left. Now what is the result? Plus minus minus 2b square plus 3b square. So 2 subtract from 3, it will be b square, and sign will be numerically greater is 3, so plus 3b square. Minus plus minus 5 subtract from 7, answer is 2ab. Sign numerically greater is 7, its sign is plus, that's why plus 2ab. And finally this. Okay, therefore this to be subtracted. Only thing we have to mention, if we subtract this mass from the first expression, then only you will get the second expression. Any doubt? You should not have any doubt. Okay, now I am coming to next question. Have you written this one? I am doing the next one. Question number C. The perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle is what? Little different but not too tough, is 7p square 7p square minus 5p plus 11. Two sides are these and these. Perimeter of triangle, sorry, it is not rectangle. Perimeter of a triangle is this. Okay, two sides are, its two sides are, what are the two sides? P square plus 2p minus 1 and 3p square minus 6p plus 3. Okay, find the third side. So you have done it in geometry also. Perimeter of triangle means what? Sum of the three sides, and two sides are given. Third side is equal to sum of the three sides minus sum of the three sides is given, three sides minus sum of the two sides. So it is the sum of three sides and two sides are given separately. We have to find out the third side. That means perimeter minus two sides, we have to find out this. Therefore, what? 7p square minus 5p plus 11 minus sum of the two sides are what? P square plus 2p minus 1 plus 3p square minus 6p plus 3. Okay, 7p square minus 5p plus 11 bracket open karo. So p square minus 2p plus 1 minus 3p square plus 6p minus 3. Bas, now you write down what the result. Okay, 7p square minus 3p square. Okay, then and one more p square and p square minus p square, okay, and minus 5p minus 2p and plus 6p plus 11 plus 1 minus 3. What is the result up to this much, and what is the result up to this much, and what is the result of this? So 7 minus this one is 1 4, so 7 minus 4 is the 3p square minus 7 minus 6 is 1, that is p, and plus minus plus 12 minus 3 is 9. Answer, third side. You write down third side. Okay. So up to this much today. Next class will be tomorrow. Okay. And I will start a new exercise. Till then, bye bye student.